Good morning, cadets. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well. Everyone is enjoying your main subject classes in Microsoft Teams and able to do assignments in Google Classrooms. Most of you are doing the assignments and able to do the task. Very few are submitting and very few are active in the Google Classroom. Please be active in the Google Classroom and submit all the assignments which are giving the chapter wise and submit it on time. Very few are submitting. Okay, please submit it on time. So last videos we discussed about the presentation visual effects. And last week I not upload any video, just to because to cover the practical, to do the practical, to get the practical presentation, practical of the chapter. We conducted one live event of India-China border dispute presentation. We conducted the event from the school. Vice principal announced the winner. I posted the winner in the Google Classroom, and a surprise gift from the school also is going to his present residential address. And also I shown one quiz video. Based on that, I asked to make the quiz on science and technology. Very few are made. Please be active in the Google Classroom and submit in the time. Okay, it's for you only. Those who are having the laptops, please do fast. Those who are having laptops and computers, do quick and do. I think very few are having the laptops and desktops. The rest, most of you are doing from the phones also. It's very good. Okay, everyone is doing well, but please be active and keep the Josh high same. Okay, today we are going for the new chapter called Scratch Programming 1, which is the review of the class 6. Which is a review of the class 6. We've gone for the total 4 chapters completed: computer hardware, word processor, mail merge, presentation, visual effects we completed. Now we are going for the chapter 4 for the first half year up to the mid-September. If we go for half yearly, we are having the 4 chapters only. So we are going 4 chapters, 4th chapter. So from here onwards, I'll go very slowly because very few are covered. Last year, one section is covered with the Scratch programming, one section is not covered, and one section is covered with HTML, and one section is not covered with HTML. So like that, it has gone parallel because of the I'm not getting the classes. So now I'm going freshly with the Scratch programming. Most of you know, very few are not got the opportunity to do the practical, but most of you are done. Okay, we'll continue with that from the basics where we don't know onwards. The Scratch programming is very interesting and fun way, which creates it's a programming language mainly made for the children, especially to enhance their computer skills with the help of mathematics. So it helps us to make just small games and different animation stories and the different projects we can make with the Scratch program. It is developed by MIT software, MIT company, MIT. So MIT institution it was developed. A group of people was developed this programming. This programming is being used in all the gaming softwares. Okay, very important for the computational purpose and also mathematical purposes. So whatever you are learning from the mathematics, so that all things are being applied here in this Scratch program. Very simple. Okay, simple topic, simple programming language. We drag and drop commands only. Okay, we'll go very slowly in this programming language first. So before going this chapter, I want to tell that those who are having desktop and laptop, they can download the Scratch. They can download the Scratch software, Scratch 460, and along with that they have to download Adobe Air installer. So these two softwares I'll upload in the Google Classroom also. You can get download that attachments also, no problem. If you are unable to get from the Microsoft from the Google, I'll upload these two softwares, Scratch 460 and Adobe Air installer. So those who are not having the laptop or desktop, they can go for the just following the video. Don't worry that I am unable to do the practical. Not required to worry. Just follow the videos which I am uploading. As I simply try to follow and simply able to listen the instruction. But though it is a practical chapter, definitely अगर सच में डेस्कटॉप और लैपटॉप होने से आराम से आप लोग करता था, but लेकिन due to limitations or due to the pandemic which we are facing, so everyone is not able to have the laptop or desktop at their homes. You don't worry for that. Just listen these instructions or let's listen the video. So when you come to the school or when you come to the school, so you can do the practical. Okay, don't worry boys. Okay, those who are having the desktop or laptop, so I am uploading this Scratch 460 and Adobe Air Installer. First install this Adobe Air Installer, then after install this application. So after that you can able to run the program. You will get the icons on the desktop, then you can run that application. Okay, so once you click double click the application, you will get the window like this. This is the window you will get once you open that application. So most of you are seen this window I think previously. So this is one stage or there one object is there, that is called sprite, which we say this is a block palettes where different types of blocks, that is motion blocks, looks blocks, sound blocks, pen blocks, data blocks, event blocks, control blocks, sensing blocks, operators, more blocks. Then here different costumes are there where we can draw that costumes for the particular sprite. And sounds, if you want to apply the sounds, we can apply the sounds also. That is, so mainly we are going for the basics onwards. We'll start from all the blocks. What are there inside हर एक block का अंदर में क्या क्या commands है. So that all things we'll see. Okay, how to draw the basic lines or basic games. How can we create? How the sprite can be changed? How the sprite can be moved. Okay, so that all things we'll see. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we'll go for the introduction. Yes, Scratch programming. So what is program and programming language? Everyone know the computer will not understand anything directly. So is a machine, it understands only the machine language, that is binary language, which we discussed in the class 6 first chapter, computers and computer languages. So what are the instructions which we are giving, like English like sentences or numbers, numericals, it will convert that language to machine language, zeros and ones. From there, with the help of compiler and interpreter, it will convert. So the set of instructions or the instruction you are writing is called as a command or line or statement. So a group of instructions or set of instructions is called as a program. So the language used to write the program is called as a programming language simply. So who is writing the programming language? It is called as a programmer. So these three terms you should remember. Whatever the instructions which we are giving to by the computer through the input units, that is keywords or the mouse, that all instructions are being converted into the machine language with the help of the programs, with the help of compiler and interpreter. So now this program means a set of instructions or a group of instructions. Programming language is मतलब हर एक language में हर एक का अपना अपना rules होता है, अपना syntaxes होता है, अपना language का अपना हर एक sentence को कैसे लिखना है वो सब, एक statement को कैसे लिखना है, so इसमें define किया जा सकता है. So based on that, every programming language is having its own syntaxes. So the language used to write that particular program is called as a programming language. The language used to write the programming particular program is called as a programming language. So let's see that only they are going to tell. How do we share our views and ideas with the different people? Normally we will common language. अगर आप लोग बंगाली है तो you commonly talk with Bengali with your friends or with your colleagues or with your friends or mothers or your relatives. So अगर कोई अपना language होता है वो अपना language में बात करेगा. So when it comes to computer, what happens you see? Well, the answer is using by the common language. So this gives rise to another question that, so what is a language? So what is a language? So in simple terms, a language is a method of communication, either spoken or written, consisting of the use of words in structured and conventional way. Yes, अगर structured conventional way में organized way में अगर बनाया उसी को कहते हैं language. It's okay. In India we are having these many types of languages. So every language is having its own rules, or every language is having own set of words and sentences. So हिंदी है, बंगाली है, मराठी है, तेलुगु, तमिल, इंग्लिश, पंजाबी, कोंकणी, संतली, उर्दू, ऐसा करके they are having the different language. हर एक language एक दूसरे से लिंक नहीं रहता है, बहुत कम लिंक होता है हर एक language से एक language. So when you speak fluently with your known language, the other person also, if they know that language, then the understanding between the two persons is very easy. So in the same way, the computer also the same expert. We may speak different languages like English, Hindi, or any other regional languages, but to converse with any person, you need to have the common language. Yes, to conversation, we need to have one common language, which both of you can speak and understand. Yes, okay. Similarly, to communicate with the computer, we need to have the knowledge of language that a computer understands. Yes. तो सिमिलरली आप कंप्यूटर के जब कम्युनिकेट करना चाहते हैं तब आपको एक लैंग्वेज जानना जरूरी है वो जो कंप्यूटर समझ में आता है। कंप्यूटर क्या क्या समझ में आता है? सी लैंग्वेज, सी प्लस प्लस, जावा, HTML, PHP, JavaScript 5, सो ये जो भी लैंग्वेजेस है इसका भी मतलब कंप्यूटर डायरेक्टली समझ में नहीं आता है। कंप्यूटर को जो मशीन में आता है जो तो जीरोस एंड वन से समझ में आता है। ये सारा लैंग्वेज क्या करता है, बीच में एक इंटरप्रेटर करके, सो वो इंटरप्रेटर और कंपाइलर के द्वारा से ये लैंग्वेज को तुम्हारा मशीन लैंग्वेज में कन्वर्ट किया जा सकता है। क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? नेक्स्ट, although a computer is a smart machine, yet it needs an instructions from the user to do any task. Yes, to do any task, computer cannot think on its own. Computer has no IQ. Everything is instruction has to be given by the user only. It does not understand English or any other language, so we need to provide instructions in a simple computer language that it can understand. So it cannot understand directly in English also. This language is known as a programming language. So what the language computer understands is a programming language. In our daily life, we are performing many tasks day to day. Okay, to perform these tasks, we follow many steps and complete them in a sequential manner. Yes, we'll follow in the completion in a sequential manner. हम लोग complete करते हैं. So a programming language is a language used to give the instructions to the computer to perform operations in a step-by-step manner. So a programming language is a language used to give instructions to the computer to perform operations in a step-by-step manner. So जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो कंप्यूटर को दे रहा है ऑपरेशंस कुछ टास्क करने के लिए स्टेप बाय स्टेप फॉर्म में, उसको कहते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. ओके, कंप्यूटर कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. yes, computer will understand this language with the help of computer and they convert it into the machine language. Let us understand the concept with the help of example. Suppose a teacher instructs his students to bring notes of his class from the computer lab. So मैंने आपको एक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया कंप्यूटर लैब से एक नोट्स लाने के लिए. तो आप लोग कैसे जा रहे थे? Since he is a new to school, so she guides him in the way to reach the computer lab. So as तो नया बच्चा है, नया लड़का है, नया, so कंप्यूटर टीचर ने अपना रास्ता बताना चाहिए कंप्यूटर लैब कैसे जाना, कंप्यूटर लैब कहाँ है. Okay, then she gives him instructions in following manner. Yes, so move out to the classroom, move left from it and go straight. Okay, move left from and after crossing 5 classrooms, takes left turn, move forward and after crossing 6 classrooms, take right turn. After crossing these 3 classrooms, you will reach the computer lab. So in this way, he will reach, or in the she will reach. So the above picture depict this situation that so everything even the person also you should get the instructions to perform that particular task. मतलब computer lab से notes लाने के लिए उसको इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया जा सकता है, ऐसा कि तुम्हारा सामने कंप्यूटर के क्लास का बाहर निकाल के स्ट्राइट में जाके लेफ्ट में जाके उसके बाद 6 क्लासरूम क्रॉस करके उसके बाद अगेन राइट टर्न लेके उसके बाद 6 क्लासरूम क्रॉस करके तुमको कंप्यूटर लैब मिल जाए. सो ये जो इंस्ट्रक्शन जो दिया है, तो 4-5 इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया, she or he has to remember that instruction, then only he can reach the destination computer lab, then he will complete the task that bringing of notes to the from the computer lab to the classroom. Likewise, computers follow stepwise instructions in a sequential manner to complete any task. कुछ भी टास्क करने के लिए कंप्यूटर भी एक इंस्ट्रक्शंस देना पड़ता है. The set of instructions given to the computer is known as a program. Whatever the instructions you are giving to the computer is known as a program. Everything computer performs right from starting up, shutdown, and it is also done by the programming only. So start करना है, shutdown करना भी, जो भी है वो programs के द्वारा से होता है. Any game that you play in your phone or computer is nothing but a program. Just whatever you are playing is nothing but is a program only at the back end. So even the viruses written are for the computer or programs only. जो वायरस आप लोगों को कंप्यूटर में जो घुसता है, वायरस होने से आप लोगों का आपका कंप्यूटर जो हैंग होना शुरू करता है, कंप्यूटर नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग से आउट हो जाता है, थोड़ा सा स्लो हो जाता है, वो भी क्या है, एक वायरस है, वो भी एक प्रोग्राम में लिखा हुआ तभी तो हो रहा है. ठीक है. So whatever you are communicating with the computer is all in the form of programs only. So whatever the instructions you are doing or giving to the computer, they are all in the form of programming only. Okay. So the language or the setup step-by-step process which giving instructions to perform the particular task is known as a programming language. So what are the set of instructions is called as a program. Okay. So the fact a computer program is a list of sequential instructions that tells a computer what to do. Okay. The language used to write a program is called as a programming language. It's simple. A program is nothing but a set of instructions which tells computer what to do. And the language which is written to write that computer program is called as a computer programming language. ठीक है. Next. So the person who writes the program is known as a programmer. Is known as a programmer. So the who writing is known as a programmer. So who may write, you may write, or I may write. Okay. So introduction to Scratch. Okay, I'm going for the Scratch now. Now hope all of you understood the introduction of programming and program. So कंप्यूटर कुछ भी अपना चीज से वो डायरेक्टली नहीं करता है, वो अपना सोचता नहीं कुछ, सब चीज तो इंस्ट्रक्शन फॉर्म में देना पड़ता है, वो ह्यूमन ही देना पड़ेगा. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस, व्हाट आर इंस्ट्रक्शंस इज गिविंग, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रोग्राम. सो ये प्रोग्राम लिखने के लिए जो लैंग्वेज उसको कहते हैं प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, और जो प्रोग्राम जो लिख रहे हैं उसको कहते हैं प्रोग्रामर. ठीक है. नाउ स्क्रैच इज वन प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. व्हाट द स्क्रैच विल सी. Scratch is a visual programming language designed for children to enhance their computing skills. So starting only I told it's designed for visual programming language designed for children to enhance their computer and the mathematical I am adding. So whatever you are learning in mathematics, that all applying we will get in the Scratch programming. Okay. It enables the children to create their own games, animated stories and projects also. Okay. Clear. Scratch language provides a various objects which can be made to perform different actions by using commands. Using commands or different actions के द्वारा से these operations are being performed. In Scratch, these objects are known as sprites. जो object आप देख रही है, जो object आपने जो खुलते ही जो देखा है ना आपने, जो मेरा window से जो खुलते जो देखा है, this object is known as a sprite. So as soon as once you open, you will get this window. This is called as a stage, and the object what you see is called as sprite. And the बीच में जो is called as a block palette. This is known as a block palette, and this is where we are writing our program called as a script area. This is called as a script area. This window is called as a script area. This is called as a stage where the sprite will be there based on the script area. Once we run our commands from the blocks palette से जो blocks लाया था उसके बाद run करने से हमारा program जो है वो चालू हो जाता है, माने ये object move करना शुरू हो जाता है. Okay, clear? Next. So some popular features of Scratch. What are the features of the Scratch? Or see. There's a free software available, free of cost and open source software. It is easy to understand and learn. It is easy to understand and learn. समझने में और पढ़ने में भी easy है, माने ठीक है. It increases the students' interest in a programming by providing a graphical environment. It increases the students' interest. Students को एक interest किया जा सकता है through the programming. So with the help of the graphical environment, क्योंकि सब चीजें drag and drop है. Instead of writing text or codes, predefined blocks are snapped together to create this script. So मैं जो बोला था, जो normally जो programming language में तो ये जो commands भी आप लोग ही लिखना पड़ता है, but इधर क्या हो गया, so बीच में एक blocks दिया सकता है, वो blocks यूज करके आपने script बनाना है, उसके बाद उसी के हिसाब से आपको program चलेगा. So इतना easy किया, इतना सुविधा किया कि आप लोग को इतना अप्लाई करने का मतलब क्या कमांड याद करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उधर सोचना है आपका प्रोग्राम क्या है, आपका क्या क्या कमांड लेने से हो जाएगा वही सोचना, बट आपको क्या कमांड एग्जैक्टली वो सिंटैक्स भी देखने का जरूरत ही नहीं, क्योंकि आपका सीक्वेंस या स्टेप्स का सही होना चाहिए, बट कमांड्स जो है सब चीज ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ, सीधा ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप से ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप से ही हो जाएगा. ओके, क्लियर. स्क्रिप्ट एरिया में सो इट एम्पावर्स द चिल्ड्रन टू डू प्लेफुल एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन with the program segments. Okay, with the help of experimentation program segments, also it empowers the knowledge. Okay, so he is the person who is the behind. See, Scratch was designed by Mitchell Resnick and developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Okay, MIT, which is commonly say, okay, MIT Media Lab. Okay, is a Mitchell Resnick and developed by Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT Lab Media Lab. Okay. Mitchell Resnick. Okay, please remember his name. Starting Scratch. So let us start the Scratch. Okay, so they are starting to start Scratch. So follow the steps given below. What are the steps they are giving? See, so go to the start program, all programs. Okay, then the Scratch 2. So Scratch 2 में click किया तो then you will get the window like this. Scratch window opens. So once the Scratch window opens, what are the components we will see? Okay, let's go for the components. So the Scratch screen is divided into 3 panes. Yes, 3 panes को divide किया जा सकता है. So ये जो pane है, is stage and the sprite pane, and the बीच में जो pane है, वो block palette, and this is called as a script area. Let's see this. That only they are telling. So what are this pane you are seeing? This pane is called as a stage or sprite pane, and the middle pane is called as a block palette, and this area is called as a script area. So stage or sprite pane, this is called, and this is called as a block palette, and this is called as a script area. So you have to remember, once as soon as the application is opened, you will get the entire window like this only. So this window is called, this window, what are the window you are seeing? This window, what are the window you are seeing is called as a stage or sprite pane, or this window, whatever you are seeing is called as a block palette, and this window is called as a script area. Okay, next let's look to the different parts of the scratch window. So different parts we'll see. The sprite, so this is the sprite is an object that you see on the scratch stage में जो देख रहा था, that is called as sprite. It performs the various actions in the scratch project. जो project में आप लोग जो है वो सब actions project में से scratch provides a number of inbuilt sprites. So scratch में बहुत सारे inbuilt sprites होता है. If you want you can change. By default the cat sprite is selected and displayed in the middle of the stage. So default में cat sprite रहता है, but अगर आप लोग change करना sprite को, you can change that also. You can work with this sprite and can even replace it the new one also. Okay, अगर नहीं चाहिए तो new से replace कर सकते हैं. So it is a stage. It's a main working area to draw pictures and perform actions. So it's the main picture area to draw, perform and actions. So that is called as stage. First हो गया sprite हो गया. Sprite library से आप लोग को ये नहीं चाहिए तो default में तो cat रहेगा. अगर आपको नहीं चाहिए तो अलग sprite भी you can choose. Then after stage you are selling. Okay, stage is a place where the sprites moves and interact with each other. Okay, It is 480 pixel wide and 360 pixel high. So 480 pixel height and 360 pixel high. It is divided into x and y coordinates which shows the position of the mouse. x y coordinates के द्वारा से position किया जा सकता है. So mouse का coordinates दिखा देगा. देखो, so ये जो है इधर x220 mouse का जो movement है दिखा दे रहा है x240 and y 180. मैं इधर आऊँगा तो x minus 155, y minus 180. So if I come here, so x is 179, x-axis is 179, y is 97. So if I go this side, x is minus 240, y is 93. Mouse का जो movement है x 240, y 106. So clear? In this way we can get the x and y coordinates. The value of both coordinates are displayed at the bottom right corner of the stage. Clear? The stage has the three buttons. एक presentation mode देख रहे. So ये presentation mode एक देख रहे हो. एक presentation mode, this is called as a presentation mode. Again, next, the button is located at the top left corner of the stage. So clicking on this button sets the stage to fill the full screen. आएगा आपको. To return the scratch window again, cross करके उसको click करना. Click on the button again. Yes. Next one, green flag which you are seeing. Green flag. Clicking on this button starts a project. मतलब आप लोग का जो पूरा commands उधर लिखने के बाद वो ग्रीन फ्लैग में क्लिक करने से आप लोग का प्रोजेक्ट शुरू हो रहा है, मतलब रन होना शुरू हो जाता है. स्टॉप साइन. सो स्टॉप दिस मींस इट विल स्टॉप द बटन स्टॉप द प्रोजेक्ट व्हिच यू मेड. ओके, sprite info fan. Click on icon present which is present in the left corner of the sprite thumbnail to display the sprite information pan. You'll get the sprite info. Okay, it displays the information about the selected sprite as well as the few tools for manipulating the sprite. So what are the, if you want to manipulate, you can manipulate the sprite also. It displays the thumbnails of selected sprites below the stage. It displays the thumbnails of the selected sprites which you are using in your project. The stage icon is present on the left of the sprite. Stage icon जो है left से होता है. Clicking on the background will add the backdrops tab to the costume tab. Okay, we can import any background on the stage using this icon. Yes, you can, using this icon you can import the any stage background tab. Any stage backdrop you can import. Okay. If you want any backdrop you can import. So this scratch rock, so ऐसा करके एक import भी हो गया. देखा? So if you want you can import that particular scratch. Okay, by clicking on this you can get the information about the particular sprite. Clear all of you. Next, costumes में सब आएगा. Okay, next, blocks palette is very important. In the middle of the screen. So the block palette contains a predefined blocks that are used to perform the specific task. Blocks are categorized based on their functionalities. Based on the functionality द्वारा से बहुत सारा blocks को divide किया जा सकता है. So blocks are within the category. Blocks are used to form the script के लिए blocks use कर रहा है. So tabs, Scratch provides us 3 different tabs, namely scripts, costumes and sounds. Scripts, costumes and the sound. Okay, scripts जो है script में है, costume तो costume background के लिए, sounds के sounds में भी provide करते हैं. Next, all 3 tabs have different tasks to perform. So everyone is having different tasks. Script tab used to edit the script of the sprite, the script के लिए. Costume tab used to select the various costumes for the sprite for the background. Okay, next sound tab is used to work with the various options which are available for the sound in the script. So sound के लिए sound background में कैसे sound, it includes option like controlling the sound's volume, tempo and more. What else? In addition to this, backdrops appears only when we select the stage icon to add any inbuilt background on the stage. Backgrounds भी आएगा जब stage icon जब select करेगा. Okay, so let's know more. So there are 10 categories of color coded blocks as shown in the block menu. So motion blocks है, looks block है, sound block है, pen block है, data block है, events block, control block, sensing block, operators, more blocks भी है. So 10 blocks are there. So block menu and 6 block shapes: hat block, stack block, boolean block, reporter, C cap. So these are the different blocks you get. Script area. This is a script area, very important. The collection of stepwise instructions given to the sprite is known as the script. Yes. A script area is the place where we drop the blocks to the create the script. So block से जो blocks ले रहे हैं उसको script में drag कर सकते हैं. The scratch toolbar appears at the top of the scratch window. So scratch tool window, the top of the windows window it will appear, and different menus and cursor tools will appear. Okay. Next, cursor tools. Cursor tools are located at the top of the different cursor tools are located at the top of the window. There are 4 different tools to perform the different operations on the sprite. Okay, different operations. Duplicate. This option creates a duplicate copy of the selected sprite. So selected sprite के duplicate copy create होगा. Next, deleting. Click on this icon. It will create the deleting. Grow, as the name suggests, this option helps to increase the size of the sprite. So sprite increase करने के लिए shrink. These option functions the just opposite of the grow button, just minimizing the sprite, just to decrease the size of the sprite. Okay, these all things we can do. Block help also. If you want any need about the particular block, that also will get. Okay, block help say clear. Click on any body in block palette with the question mark, you will get the particular block. Okay, you will get. So a pop-up window will shows up the quick up about that particular block up. We can also open the tips window by clicking the tips options present on the menu bar. Tips options से भी हम लोग menu bar से ले सकते हैं. So types of blocks in Scratch, next class I will discuss. So I think most of you are understood in this class I am expecting. So as soon as you click on the Scratch, so it works in both online and offline. Now right now we are working with offline only. Okay. So as soon as once we need to have the Adobe Air presentation and also Scratch 460. So once installed, you get you'll get open this icon. You will get this window. This is called as stage or the sprite pan, and this is called as a block palette, and this is called as a sprite. Okay. So now let's have one small program, that is flag click करने से आप लोग का program शुरू होता है. So I'm just dragging. So पेन से क्लियर करके पेन में ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. क्लियर पेन डाउन. Let's see the program, any it will come. So pen block हो गया. Control blocks. So repeat. Repeat again. Motion blocks. Motion. Move. Point in direction 90. So with this it will form the square. Using the square it will form the square. Okay, square it will perform. So let's see the output how it will perform. 4 as it times the 4, it will come with the 4 4 times. मैंने एक 90 degrees जाके फिर इसके बाद ऐसा करके it will start. So see how it will perform once you click on the flag. So my block is completed. So I am making the form. Actually point in direction नहीं है, it is turn in 90 degrees, turn in 90 degrees. Yeah, now we'll see. Yeah, we form the square. Okay, so drawing with the help of pen tool. Before that, we clear all the screen. Pen down. So it is drawing with the pen down. It is repeating 4 because of it is the total square is having the four lines. So 4 times it is moved. So repeat. It should repeat the same movement, same steps for the 4 times. That is why it is called as a repeat block we use. So that is first step. So move 120 degrees. मूव 120 स्टेप्स करके स्ट्राइट में गया तो उसके बाद 90 डिग्री टर्न ले लिया अगेन अगेन इट स्टार्टेड विद वो लूप हो गया अगेन सेकंड लूप में अगेन 120 स्टेप्स हुआ अगेन 90 डिग्रीज हुआ अगेन उसके बाद अगेन 120 डिग्रीज मूव हुआ उसके बाद अगेन 90 डिग्रीज उसके बाद अगेन ऐसे करके क्लियर सो दिस इज स्मॉल प्रोग्राम बी डन सो वंस वी क्लिक व्हेन फ्लैग क्लिक करके मैं सेलेक्ट किया था उसका प्लेस में आप लोग अपना कुछ भी कर सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं व्हेन फ्लैग और कुछ भी की अगर प्रेस करना है तो ये फ्लैग को हटा के मैं अगर मान लो सॉरी ठीक है you can use this when any key which you want to use so for example when space key pressed or pen block clear pen down and control repetition block then after motion move steps block then turn in direction turn in anti-clockwise direction okay 90 degrees is 20 steps it is 4 here अगर आपको कोई भी की अगर जरूरत है तब you can take this one see I am using the space bar to get that key okay you can use any key here okay turn in direction yeah okay clear all of you okay hope all of you understood this small program next class we will discuss deeply about these types of blocks एक एक ब्लॉक के अंदर में क्या क्या है कौन सा ब्लॉक में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं एक एक ब्लॉक से क्या कर सकता है all things we'll see okay hope all of you understood the introduction so we'll go slowly okay those who are having the desktop or system you can do okay thank you boys stay safe stay home stay prepared signing off I'll give assignments on this topic up to whatever I discussed okay thank you boys